This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing damage. Look for split ends and rough cuticle zones. Once done, wet hair with lukewarm water and apply a sulfate-free shampoo. This cleans without stripping oils. Make sure to detangle with a wide-tooth comb, working from ends up to prevent more breakage. Next, rinse thoroughly and towel blot gently. Do not rub. These initial steps reduce friction and prepare the fiber for deeper repair, which is essential before applying any intensive treatments. You now focus on rebuilding and moisturizing. Choose a treatment with a moisture-protein ratio around 2:1 for softness plus strength. Once applied, cover with a plastic cap and use gentle heat or a steamer for 10 to 15 minutes so the cuticle opens and ingredients penetrate. After processing, rinse with cool water to seal the cuticle and lock and shine. Make sure to follow with a lightweight leave-in to maintain hydration without weighing hair down. You finish by trimming split ends. Clip off about 0.5 centimeter to 2 centimeters depending on damage to prevent further splitting. Once trimmed, seal the ends with a small amount of oil or silicone on damp hair and always apply a heat protectant before any hot styling. If hair feels hard or straw-like after treatment, that indicates protein overload. In that case, use a clarifying wash, increase moisturizing treatments, and space protein masks farther apart to restore softness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.